up guys, Shadow Company Airsoft here, and I'm here doing a review of the UHC 357 Magnum. So this is a spring revolver that comes with 8 shells, and the gun itself is made out of a cheap plastic. But then again, it's just for shows for what I got it for. It comes with a realistic spinning cylinder, and the sights are posted with the red dot. And as I said, the cylinder does spin when you shoot it. And like always, it has 6 slots for 6 shells, even though it comes with 8 bullets. And then it comes with an ejection rod, which is pretty useless because you can't actually use it. And the front sight is posted with a red dot and looks very nice. And US regulations require an orange tip on every airsoft gun, so that's pretty ugly. And the grip itself looks pretty nice. It's fake wood and it's just plastic, but it feels nice. It might feel different from some of the other ones, and the safety is underneath the trigger, which I thought was not the greatest thing they could have done. And now we're gonna look at the other side, which looks pretty plain and not too much detail on it. Alright, yeah. First person view looks pretty nice. Now let's load this bad boy up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. Yeah, so that's the gun itself. Thanks for watching,